Ergonomic wrist rests are a popular accessory for computer users who want to alleviate wrist pain and discomfort. There are many products available to choose ergonomic wrist rests, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best ergonomic wrist rests from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Geimer's Upgrade Enlarge Superfine Fabric Gel Memory. The Geimer's Memory Foam Keyboard and Mouse Wrist Rest Set is designed to provide comfortable support during extended periods of computer use. The soft and breathable surface is made of skin-friendly material, and the inner pad is made of memory foam. The non-skid rubber base will keep the wrist rest in place, and the set includes both a keyboard and mouse pad. The ergonomic design helps to keep the wrist straight and can help relieve wrist pain. Number 2. Delta Hub Carpio 2.0 Right-Handed Truly Ergonomic Wrist Rest for Mouse. Delta Hub Carpio 2.0 is a right-handed truly ergonomic wrist rest for mouse that provides carpal tunnel support, pain relief, and anti-fatigue features. It is designed with the help of medical experts specializing in reconstructive surgery to ensure a contoured ergonomic shape that reduces harmful extensions of the wrist. The high-quality silicone pads offer a balance between comfort and stability, while the PTFE feet allow for seamless gliding of the wrist. Available in 3 color variants and suitable for both right-handed and left-handed individuals, Carpio 2.0 enables users to comfortably work with a keyboard and mousepad simultaneously. Whether you're working long hours, gaming, or casually browsing the web, Carpio 2.0 supports your wrists for optimal comfort and productivity. Number 3. Brilla Ergonomic Memory Foam Mouse. The Brilla Ergonomic Memory Foam Mouse wrist rest is made of premium medical-grade slow bounce back memory foam gels and silky smooth lycra fabric. Its innovative ergonomic wrist shape groove and massaging holes design provides wrist and palm comfort. The rubbery poo materials on the back base. Number 4. Ergonomic Gel Keyboard Wrist Rest. The Zibly Wrist Rest Set is a professionally designed keyboard and mouse wrist support set that offers excellent quality and comfort. Made of premium quality memory foam and soft breathable material, this set is perfect for lengthy work typing and gaming sessions. The ergonomic shape reduces strain on your elbows, shoulders, and wrists, making them more comfortable. With its non-slip rubber base, it provides a solid grip and prevents sliding, improving hand and wrist posture, and eliminating pressure. The Zibly Wrist Rest Set is also robust and portable, allowing you to carry it everywhere easily. Whether you're hot desking, working from home, or in school, you can enjoy the same comfort every time. Satisfaction is guaranteed, and any issues will be resolved immediately. Number 5. Ergonomic Mouse Pad. The Ergonomic Mouse Pad Wrist Support and Keyboard Wrist Rest Set is designed to keep your wrist in a natural and comfortable state while typing, gaming, or using the computer. The soft breathable lycra material and raised memory foam provide comfort and pressure relief, while the anti-slip rubber base keeps the pads in place. The set comes with a keyboard wrist rest, mouse pad with wrist support and coaster, fitting most mouse and keyboard sizes. GJGOO offers a 1-year free replacement service on wrist rest.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.